Is your Localized Security Manager 64-bit apps not working because of the secman64.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. Get the professional secman64 fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the secman64, a specialized security manager 64-bit library. It manages unmanaged routines for process integrity checks and hardware ID-based license verification. It facilitates the secure data link between the software and license manifests. Now that you're up to speed on the files role, let's begin the repair process. If your software is failing because of secman64.dll, the internal file mapping for Localized Security Manager 64-bit is likely corrupted, so reinstalling the current version of your program, showing the error, will re-register the library and fix the error. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the secman64 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install secman64.dll into directories where it doesn't belong. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes secman64 references. To support our technical team and receive updates on secman64 resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.